With barely 10 days to go for the two-day assembly session in the state, Congress's Aldona MLA Dayanand Narvekar has made clear his intentions of presenting a private member's bill on the Lokayukta in the Legislative Assembly. Meanwhile, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has stated that he would support the earlier Lokayukta Bill 2003 if the recommended amendments were carried out by the government.
This bill is based on Karnataka Lokayukta Bill, and the Karnataka Lokayukta Bill is implemented in Karnataka for last many years. So it is a simple bill which there should not be any agitation from any parties not to introduce the bill and to pass.
He further said that if the Parliament could discuss the Lokpal issue for a day, so could the Goa Legislative Assembly, and will seek a day's extension. He however maintained that all the MLAs are yet to receive copies of the redrafted proposed 2003 Lokayukta Bill.
When a Parliament could make one day available for all the parliamentarians to sit and consider a motion, I don't think a small assembly like Goa will require more than a one day to talk about Lokayukta Bill. So it will be my endeavour on when Business Advisory Committee meets, they discuss this issue, they make it in the list of business, and if they don't have time, I will be also asking government to extend session by one more day. Requested Secretariat to give the copies of the amendment. So far they have not received anything. They have got the bill which is there of 2003.
Meanwhile, the Law Department had earlier put a remark that the redrafted Goa Lokayukta Bill cannot be presented in Assembly session in its present form and will have to seek permission from the President of the country to do so. The opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has however stated that he would support the earlier Lokayukta Bill 2003 with 3 amendments carried out in the bill.
already government is intending to do something about it. Today's discussion, Chief Minister he called me for 2 minutes, and I had suggested to him long back that use the same bill, introduce it, minus those 2-3 things. It will be much faster. If you are serious about the job, amend it section 18 by just saying one line, subject to provision of Right to Information Act. That will take care of the first objection, and giving power like contempt of court power for article clause 19, I think, you can eliminate that clause. We will see about it afterwards. If these 2 corrections are made, the bill is acceptable to the central government.